Hi everyone, my name's David Peters. I'm from Peters Tax Preparation and Consulting. One of the things that we get asked about a lot is estimated taxes. Clients want to know, well, do I have to make estimated tax payments or not? Well, the first thing to understand is that the U.S. tax system is a pay-as-you-go system. I know it may feel like you only pay taxes on April 15th when you actually file your federal income tax return. However, really, you pay taxes throughout the year. If you're working a job, one of the things that you'll notice is that on your pay stub, there's an amount that's been set aside for federal income taxes. Well, guess what? That's you paying taxes throughout the year. So when it comes to estimated taxes, though, we have a rule. And the rule is that we have to pay in at least 90% of our current year tax liability or 100% of our prior year tax liability in order to avoid any penalties. Now, we got a couple of things that we need to remember on that. The first thing is that even if we meet 100% of our prior year liability or 90% of our current year tax liability, you still may owe something at the end of the year. The thing is, though, is that if we meet one of those two thresholds, then we don't have a penalty on top of what we owe. Now, if you're in the higher income levels, these rules aren't going to apply to you. You're going to have to pay in at least 90% of the current year liability or 110% of last year. For more information about that, click on the link that we have for you below. Now, if I end up having to pay estimated taxes, well, when do I have to pay estimated taxes? Well, I pay them on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. You got to pay them each quarter. Now, the IRS does not want you to pay in like a small amount in the first quarter and then make a big payment in the last quarter. You need to make those estimated tax payments evenly throughout the four payments. So if I figure up 90% of the current year or 100% of the prior year, and I figure out that I need to pay in at least $10,000, I need to make those payments $2,500, $2,500, $2,500, $2,500 throughout the year, 4 even payments. If I don't make even payments, well, then I may be subject to a penalty there as well. So 90% of the current year or 100% of the prior year, that's the rule for most people. And I got to make those payments even. If we do those things, then we're going to be in great shape for filing season. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, feel free to hit the like button, and if you want to be notified every time we come out with a new video, be sure to hit that bell icon. For more information, visit us at davidpeterstax.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.